Hello friends and teachers, this is Fadil at eLearningX. Today we're looking at a brief video of how to use a screen software using Loom for your lectures. Loom is a video messaging tool that helps record your camera, microphone, and desktop simultaneously. So let's get started. I've made this table on a few recording softwares to tell its pros and cons, and Loom has three versions in which it is free in one capacity. It is also paid service using the business and enterprise. The free version limits you to 5 minutes per video with up to 25 videos per capacity. In order to make new videos, you'll need to delete some videos to make new ones, and of course the limit is still 5 minutes. The business version is unlimited minutes with an unlimited amount you can have, and it's also password protected videos as well with custom branding. And the enterprise is everything in business plus a few admin controls. And the free obviously is free to use. Business is $8 per month, and enterprise is should be recommended to contact their sales team. On that note, Hano Academy is currently issuing a free education version for tutors. So hopefully by the time this gets to you, you should be able to have an unlimited amount of recorded time and videos as well. The pros of Loom is that it is an in-house video editing software and has its own captions. There is a Chrome extension and a desktop version for users looking for an easy version or a depth version with Loom's features. Capture screen and the camera. It's safe with no viruses. It lets you know when someone views your videos, and you're able to download them in MP4. And in terms of cons, as you know, you can't have more than 25 videos without deleting them. So let's get to the website. Okay, so we're on the Loom website. You go on Google, you type download Loom, and it should be the first one that's there. Upon clicking this link, it suggests you to download through Chrome or through the desktop app. The difference is that one relies only on a small add-on through using these extensions, which is easy to do, but sometimes if you're offline, the Chrome extension isn't very helpful. On the other hand, there is a desktop app, which is what I recommend, as you're able to explore more premium features like backgrounds and HD videos. So we're going to download the app and see what we can do from there. So here is how the user interface looks like once you've installed Loom. It has the video, and it is able to have different options: screen camera, screen only, cam only. And you can also change with full screen or window, with custom size being the upgrade plan, unfortunately. And if we look at this, we go to preferences, you can see some of these settings here, such as the recording countdown, the flip camera, recording audio in mono. And this is just the account. So let me just delete this again. Okay. Depending on your internet speed, it will recommend which video quality to use, and that is completely up to you. Okay, so we're now on the Loom recording. Let's quickly go on this just to show you something really quickly, and this is just how it looks like over here. I'm also able to change my video cam depending on what I want. I can make this bigger. That's quite big, to be fair. Or if you'd like, you can click this and it will switch the photo back to your profile photo for your account, in which you can change depending on what you want. For example, let's click this, switch the photo, All right, let's go back to the to camera. That's all there is for and as you can see, yep, look at the background. I've changed it to this, and looks interesting to say in the least. So that's that for Loom. Now let's go to the next part. Okay, so now we're back on my other screen recording software. So let's put this down here. Here is the video, which it directs you to this web page of Loom, and it shows you a review transcript, video preferences, trim, add clips, call to action, change thumbnail, all of which you can do. Viewers are able to uh, provide some feedback with some emojis, for example, some up downs, a yay, and they're also able to provide a comment. So I can just say, for example, excellent video. Let's comment in, and that's how that looks like. You can also see a transcript, which is processing. Let's rename this title to Loom 220922. So sometimes it can take a little while, or sometimes it's very quick, depending on what's happening or how it facilitates that. But what I can do is show you the other parts. So here at the home section, I've used 7 videos out of 25. Library shows this, some of my previous videos. Here is my notifications, history, and my settings. And it shows me personal settings and workspace settings. Let's go to the workspace. This is just for certain titles. There's something called a workspace. So you can divide your videos onto certain regions. So for example, if you're teaching chemistry and biology at the same time, you don't want the videos to mix. So you can set the videos up to different parts. So let's go back to the video that we created earlier. Let's review the transcript if there is still any. You're also able to edit the videos by splitting it. So I can split this, split trim, yes please. You can also add other clips from your other videos, and then you can save changes if you like. So I'm going to cancel it. You can also share. It also lets you know how many views have taken for this video. You can move, you can duplicate, you can archive it, and just like Dropbox Capture, you're also able to download it and delete it. So let's download this for a second, shall we? And let's review it. And just like that, I've downloaded everything, and it was pretty easy to do. So that is Loom. Hope you understood this quite clearly, and thank you for watching.